Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to generate an image using AI. Here you can go and type Genspark AI. This one is very useful tool that lets you create images, videos and many more. And here you can type anything, for example, create an image, top 10 AI tools, then click here. So guys, here you can see image is ready. Now you can easily get this image in your laptop and you can use it anywhere. So this one is copyright free image.